Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get bits on Twitch. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so you can purchase bits. Just go to twitch.tv and to the bits section. So you can purchase bits. You can purchase 100 bits for $1.40, 500 for $7, and you can check pricing for every package. So yeah, you can buy bits, or alternatively you can also earn free bits. So if I just go to this article, yeah, so you can earn bits by watching ads, completing surveys, and yeah, stuff like that. You can take a look at these as well. So if you want free bits, you can also complete surveys on Twitch RPG. You can watch ads, and yeah guys, this is how you earn free bits, or you can just buy bits from the official Twitch website. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.